to this series of Real Mom interviews by newmomlife.com. In this interview, we'll be interacting with Simi, who is MBA in finance and working as a manager in a reputed bank. Simi has a beautiful daughter, Lisha, who is 7 years old and who also joins us in this interview. Simi is an ever-smiling beauty and she always enjoys being a mother. In this interview with Simi, she shares with us how she recovered post-delivery, how her family supports her in being a working mom, and her lovely motherhood experience. So let's interact with Simi. So hello Simi, how are you and welcome to this series of Real Mom interviews by newmomlife.com.
Hi Gitika, it's good to see you.
Thank you so much. And hi Lisha, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I am good dear. So that's Lisha, her 7-year-old daughter, and she's absolutely adorable and beautiful. Love to have you both on this platform, Lisha and Simi.
Thank you so much, Gitika.
Okay, so before starting with the interview, I would like to mention that I'll be recording this particular interview and putting it on our YouTube channel and the website that we manage. So are you fine with that?
Yeah, absolutely. No issues over
Okay,
there.
great. So can we start now?
Sure.
Fine. So the first question for you, Simi, is that what was your first reaction when you got to know that you have become a mother, or when you held Lisha in your hands for the first time?
I felt wow. I felt very completed. Like God has given me such beautiful gift. Like it was very, it's a feeling I cannot even express. It can only be felt by a mom.
Absolutely.
Actually, she feels very happy about it.
And
when I actually saw her, I actually saw her, I felt, oh, I have really become a mother. Okay.
So that happens, yes.
It's a really good feeling.
Okay, great to know that. So beautifully explained. All right. So the second question for you is that what steps or what kind of approach that you actually took after your delivery to recover completely? So any particular diet or what approach you followed? I would like to ask.
Actually, after delivery, usually in our Indian society, our senior, like our moms or mom-in-law, they give us some kind of Indian herbs like pinjiri mein na, they put some kamarkas,
yes,
and then they put a lot of ghee also. So of course, dry fruits also, lot of milk. And yes, love of my family also, which helped a lot to recover me from that.
Yes, that's I think important also, to give us strength, to give us that stamina to deal with the baby in the initial days. That's really important for us to have it. Okay, that's
having
great.
A lot of milk, dry fruits, pinjiri, that helped me.
Okay, so the third question for you is that who amongst you, is it you or your husband who is stricter with her? Lisha, you can go. That's a personal question. So you can come, dear. You can come, please.
Well, I am the one who is more lovable and yes, more stricter also with her.
Okay.
I'm also more like making her teach with like, no, this is to be done, this is not to be done, and I'm the one who actually, I would say like. बिगड़ा वो बच्चा जो भी बनाती हूँ और फिर बाद में डांटती भी मैं ही हूँ. So I am the one who is more strict than more strict too. Because my husband, he usually is busy in his professional duties and all, and moreover I feel when you are a mother, if you will not engage with your child, like whenever whatever task she got in the school, I am the one who is more involved in the school work. In every kind of work, buying clothes for her or anything. So I am the one only who is more lovable also and who is more strict also.
Okay, fine, good. Okay, so the next question for you is that what practices or the approach you follow to stop her from breastfeeding?
Actually, I joined my office after 7 months. So when you join the office, naturally from the morning till evening, that practice of feeding the child is reduced gradually when you join the office. So when I used to come home, I used to make her feed once, and then gradually when she started taking the diet of the outside food like Cerelac and the apple pie and everything, that after that I reduced more gradually, and then it stopped.
Okay. So you started working after 7 months. It must be a difficult,
Yeah,
it
it
must be
is
a
very
difficult
difficult
journey for you.
actually. I used to go on. I used to leave my home, and then I used to sit in my car and then call my mom. Mama, is Lisha awake? Is she crying?
I can
And I
understand
used
that.
to and I used to call 3 to 4 times in a day. What is she doing? What is she having? Is she crying? Or I used to ask about her.
Okay. So the next question for you is that what do you think is the best brain development activity for her?
Brain development, I would say, like initially I used to give her building blocks. Building blocks really helped her
Yes.
to build some kind of structures, pictures. We used to give her,
Absolutely.
we used to give her puzzles also. And then but now recently I've started skillmatics worksheets that are really great for this kind of children. Skillmatic.
Okay, that's
Just really
great.
great.
Great to know that. Great. And a great suggestion from you, I must say, for all the moms. Very nice. Okay. So the next question for you is any suggestions you would like to give to the new moms?
Yeah, I would like to say that once you become a mom, we know that there is someone who we have to take care of. But before a mom, we are a human being first. So we should always take care of ourselves also, so that we can take care of our family.
Absolutely, yes. If we are fine, if we are good, then only we can
Yes,
take
yes.
good care of others. Otherwise, it will not
So
happen.
this is one thing I would
Definitely.
I would like to that take care of yourself also.
Absolutely. And this is only the kids will learn from us. They will only care for themselves only if we care for ourselves. They will see us
Yes,
in each
yes.
and every approach.
Yes.
So thank you so
yes.
much. Okay. So the next question is that as you are working and you said that you started working from 7 months onwards, how do you manage your work with the kid? I mean, it must be difficult for you.
Yeah, actually, my work schedule was like that. If I was in the office, then my work was up to office only. I never bought work at home. And my colleagues and I would say my seniors also supported me in that. Whenever I used to whenever I used to take leave, they used to completely understand that yes, she's a new mother, and maybe take some time for the immunity to develop. So they never refused. And plus, my family also, a lot of support from family is required if you are working and if you have a baby. Because these kind of times we cannot afford that a child would go to a daycare. I cannot afford my child to go to a daycare. So I felt my family and my work colleagues also, they both supported me.
Good. That's good to know. Family support is a must in each and every case.
Must, yes. Without
Yes.
that, you cannot even think
Yes.
to work.
Absolutely, yes. Okay. So the last question from our side for you is what is that thing that you would never allow your daughter to do?
Well, I would never allow her to tell lie.
Mama,
Yes. What?
please.
And yes, one thing, like these days, like I'm struggling to make her posture correct. Whenever
Okay.
she study, she bends a lot.
Oh.
So, and which is the thing for the young kids. If they are into something, they are doing on a full concentration. They bend too much on the
Yes.
book. And
I've
so
seen
I
that.
keep on telling her, Lisha, your posture. Lisha, your posture. These two things I would say. I would
Okay.
I would say that they should not do, but still they are doing it.
Lisha, अब correct कर लो. Correct कर लो अब. तो ये publicize होगा. Oh my God, that was, I think, a lovely interview, and that's all about the questions from my side. And it was a lovely and a beautiful interaction with you both. And thank you so much, Lisha, for joining us. It was wonderful to have you in this session. And thank you so much, Simi,
Thank you.
also. But first,
Thank you so
Lisha.
much, Geetika. Even you are so lovely to talk to.
Oh my God, thank you so much. And she is really adorable. I loved you, baby. That's so nice. Okay, so when I publicize it, I will definitely share the links with you both.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So thank you so much. And now I'm just signing off. All right. So shall we sign off now?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.